Understanding Jackpots, a comprehensive guide. A jackpot is more than just a term associated with gambling. It represents a sudden and significant financial windfall that can transform an individual's financial landscape. Whether derived from a game of chance or an unforeseen investment success, jackpots carry stories of fortune and, sometimes, caution. What is a jackpot? At its core, a jackpot refers to a substantial payout that emerges from gambling activities. It represents a large sum of money that could be won through various means, such as slot machines, lotteries, or poker. In financial vernacular, jackpot can also denote remarkable investment returns accrued in a short time frame, implying unexpected success in business dealings or trading strategies. Key takeaways. Definition: a jackpot is a sudden financial windfall, which can arise from gambling or investments. Historical context: the term originated from an early version of five-card draw poker, where players could only enter the game with a pair of jacks or better, thereby increasing the pot size over rounds of lesser hands. Modern usage: it has since been applied broadly to describe any large, unexpected financial gain. The origins of the term. The concept of the jackpot can be traced back to 19th-century poker games. In these games, players would ante up before the deal, and if no one showed a pair of jacks or better to open the betting, the pot would grow larger with each round of play. This root of the jackpot established its meaning as a prize that builds over time until it is claimed, paving the way for its application in other gaming and financial contexts, such as lotteries and investment cap scenarios. Financial jackpots, a double-edged sword. While the allure of hitting a jackpot is enticing, those who experience such windfalls often face hurdles alongside their newfound wealth. Investments can yield surprising returns when the right circumstances come into play, for example, during a hot initial public offering, IPO, where early investors see shares skyrocket in value. However, the euphoria of a jackpot can mask underlying complexities, particularly in financial awareness and responsibility. Tax implications. Receiving a large sum of money usually involves dealing with taxes. Different jackpots may come with different tax consequences. Lotteries: winners can choose between a lump sum payment and annuitized payments. The tax implications differ significantly based on the choice. Investments: selling a successful investment may trigger capital gains taxes, which can erase a portion of the expected windfall. Consulting with financial advisors or tax professionals becomes critical for effective tax planning and to avoid unpleasant financial surprises. Impulse spending and lifestyle changes. The temptation to splurge can be overwhelming after a major financial windfall. Shortly after receiving their jackpot, many individuals might feel an urge to indulge in luxury purchases, travel, or lifestyle upgrades. However, financial experts warn that a quick spending spree can lead to depletion of funds, with reports indicating that some lottery winners have found themselves in debt or financial hardship shortly after their big win. An important recommendation is to pace spending and consider long-term financial stability. Creating a comprehensive financial plan that includes budgeting, saving, and investing the proceeds is essential for preserving wealth. Re-evaluating financial goals. Jackpot recipients should also reassess their overall financial objectives, risk tolerance, and investment strategies. A sudden increase in net worth necessitates realignment of financial portfolios to secure future wealth, steering clear of high-risk ventures that might otherwise seem appealing due to newfound liquidity. Conclusion. A jackpot represents both the exhilaration of sudden wealth and the complexity of managing that fortune. While dreams of hitting the jackpot often spur ambitions of financial freedom, the reality comes with responsibilities and challenges that many may underestimate. By seeking professional guidance and taking a mindful approach to newly acquired wealth, jackpot winners can set themselves on a path toward sustainable financial security and make the most out of their unexpected fortune.